So excited. I just got my package from Madera Outdoor Company, and they help with deforestation all over the world. This package helped plant 2 trees, and they also help with sustainable farming practices in Africa. So I'm super excited to go try it out. What have we got here? Ooh, straps, and this is the actual hammock. This is the super lightweight one for 2 people. So let's see. How does this work? This is after like 10 minutes of trying to figure out this one. But this is what you do. Put it around, hug the tree, love the tree, and then bring it around. Okay. Lasso that tree. Okay, then bring it through. On the bottom first, through the buckle. And up and through, which makes sense to me. Pull it, and we're good. This is the moment of truth, everybody. Yes. Doggies! No, don't jump, don't jump. We lost one. There they go. They don't like it.